In the wake of the collapse of several banks like Credit Suisse and Silicon Valley Bank, the finance minister told the chiefs of public sector banks that they must stay alert, take stress tests, and frame detailed crisis management strategies. The bank chiefs told Sitharaman that they are vigilant of the developments in the global banking sector and are taking all possible steps to safeguard themselves. What are stress tests? Let's decode. The stress test is an analysis conducted by banks under hypothetical situations to check if they have enough capital to withstand an adverse economic situation like a market crash. The balance sheet of banks is analyzed by assuming the values of economic variables as they may be during recession, high unemployment, or some other stressful situation. Due to the presence of several variables, conducting a stress test is a tedious job for banks. But the central banks provide a basic framework for running such tests. The key stress areas that are focused on are liquidity risk, market risk, and credit risk. These tests were introduced after the 2008 financial crisis. It revealed the vulnerability of banks to market crashes and economic downturns. It was also identified that some institutions are too big to fail and may cause a contagion if they go down. So, the regulators came up with the idea of a stress test to prevent any such collapse in the future. This test helps the banks in their risk management. Banks that fail the stress test are required to build up their capital reserves. The banks may also be asked to cut their dividend payouts and share buybacks to preserve their capital. Moreover, the result of these tests is also put in public domain to maintain transparency. Some critics have said that stress tests are highly demanding. According to many, these tests force the banks to retain too much capital. Some have even blamed these requirements for the slow pace of economic recovery after the 2008 crisis.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.